Hi there, for today's video we are going to be reviewing character traits. Character traits, the outside and inside of a character. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about outside. So when we talk about outside, we think of physical traits. Go ahead and say that with me. Physical traits. Good job. Okay, so physical traits. Think of your eyes, okay? So what we can see. Hair color, eye color, height, clothing, size, their facial features. Are they smiling? Are they frowning? What are they doing? What can you see on the outside? Okay? And then for inside, we'd say personality traits. Go ahead and say that with me. Personality traits. Good job. So what we learn from actions, words, and thoughts. So thoughts, words, feelings, actions, okay? So let's go ahead and think back to the book we read on Monday, Amelia Earhart, okay? Let's go ahead and talk about that character, Amelia Earhart. She's not just a character, she was a real person. Let's talk about her character traits, her outside, which is physical traits, her inside, personality traits. Going to give you a moment to think back to Monday's Read Aloud with her. All right, if you need more time, just pause the video. But let's go ahead and talk about Amelia Earhart's outside character traits, her physical traits. So, right here is a little picture. I'm actually going to go back to the book and I'm going to show you what she looks like, an actual photograph of her real quick. All right, so here she is. Here's a photograph. So let's go ahead and look. Remember, outside is what we can see. She has short hair. She's wearing a jacket. Kind of looks like a little scarf right there. What else? I know it's kind of hard to see because this is a black and white picture, but she does have a reddish hair color. See if there's anyone. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and go back to let's go ahead and go back over here and list those things. So she has short hair. Oops. Reddish hair color. Brown jacket. She has a brown jacket in that first picture I showed you, and then this little cartoon character. And then, let's see, she had a scarf in one picture, and then also right here. All right, so it's outside. That's what we could see. Inside. Now, this is how she behaved, right? These are things I read in the story. She was active. She was active and curious little girl when she was younger. She was very smart. She was brave. To fly alone over the Atlantic and Pacific Ocean, that's very brave. She was a hard worker. Remember, she saved up her money and bought her own airplane. And then she was also famous for all the amazing things she's done. So that's just Amelia Earhart. So we went over her character traits. We talked about the outside, what she looked like, and the inside, how she behaved. So we talked about her feelings, her actions, the things that she did, and then we talked about what we saw. Okay, I hope you like this little review of her character traits.